It is a lie. When you go back and you check your major roads in the Volta region, you will see that President Kufuor did a lot. When the Kufuor came, he is also continuing it. Put that on the side. Just recently, we had the vice president come over there for an event that Togbi Sri, I love that man so much, put together and invited his brothers, who are also paramount kings and chiefs and what have you, to come and celebrate in that wonderful display of culture with him. The vice president tried to state certain gains that we have made. Now today, let me give you another statistics. Go and check. Before free education, Volta for Muntie, before free education, Volta region was one of the most underprivileged education place, or like produced the less education people whenever it came to examination, and that was due to poverty. Okay, you can check. They all checking in Brabidi Matem, but the American you can check the facts and come and reply me later. Okay, Volta region until free education was one of the places that lacked a lot when it comes to education. Now look at their rating in the education column. Look at schools in Volta region that were nothing. First, open school or Volta regional school ani enima ne Mauli. Meboa. Mauli secondary. And one ani yeti. And then you have Kita, you have this. There are so many schools that are going on in the Volta region. And all is by the doings of His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Now, this video I'm playing now, if you are from Ho, this is your central market that they are doing for you. I think it is almost complete, or it is completed. And very soon, traders in the Volta municipalities of Ho would be able to use this facility to sell their stuff, make money in order to cater for their families. Don't let anybody lie to you that you were born to worship NDC. It is a lie. They don't want your development. Don't let nobody tell you that you, as an, excuse me to use the word, ewe person, the only thing you are supposed to vote for is NDC. It is a lie. Do your best and look for the opportunities that this government is bringing. Tap yourself into it and make yourself useful. Don't rely on propaganda from this party you have slaved for all these years. Check their track record. You have voted for NDC MPs. You have voted for NDC DCEs. You have voted for NDC assemblymen. You have voted for NDC presidents all your life. Look at your area. They couldn't develop it. They could not develop it, but you have voted for them in that category. Look at who is working for you. Let us watch this beautiful edifice. Ubi share page in mama very important. Wa nefri wontumam sa beno eye nokre MPP for mo moye dankwa dombo buzia tradition believers. MPP for mo domo party moye real patriots, and I say moye patriotic citizens mo domo party mesre mo ebre na so say mo ma yenina ho mutie na enkanka bibi ma for welcome long time. I hope so on here. Enkanka bibi a sebe aba fra eye ye party no mamu maye ma omu mpolutumo ende se mo mamu ani ada ho a krache baba wani ade bebre na nenam ho oh ena oh ye de NDC debi ye MPP for ye MPP for. The truth is they are not. You understand? Oma be fra ye mu. And on ne omo be yo mo so me na me MPP ni, but oh dear cousin de me support to be oboa. One more ye MPP for papa pan na omo te dan kwadombo buzia tradition ase. One more woman nim sebe MPP ashase no mu nim the MPP stand for no. They do not speak like that. Osha, one more complain so ya one more ba politics mu say ye be bibi every politics me say ye be build your mind. And there would meet ya MPP ni na only nipo din komo afa MPP ho a beka said dia wo ka bibi a sebe just say odwene ho a on shedan tiase. Let us be very 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 careful. Na se kwesi me de makasa fidie kitwa ikasa sa me 2x4 phone ya wo hwe me wo mu me de kasa mamu hu ne se krachi bi asebe na dwene sebe ono dwene se na dwene buro bia so ntino ye mmia no o pa onka de obeka menka nkyira mo. We are killing this party not because of what NDC is doing, because NDC don't have much arsenals. NDC doesn't have what it takes to kick us out of government. We are close to election year. As it stands, they still don't even have a single policy, not even that. They are not even towing a line that will show, say, oh, okay, and they are still thinking about yenkoku ni pamra power. Moya yebe bomo, moya yebe kun, yebe dragi ballot box, mule, Jimmy, ye basana, sani yenimu yentino. That is our traditionality. Yes, sir. That is all they are showing. And uti se metuana metise. Obi jina hona wutumi hu MPP nipa ena ese edun kete o mekwe mi na me say, are you people serious? Is ese edun kete new? Ese edun kete has been in the affairs and running NDC for 17 years. Or do you want no opposition? How many years in here? So what is he really bringing different? Nothing. Nothing to know. Anka NDC for cry the uncommon yeshe. But unfortunately for my lovely NPP party, the party I sit here and put myself in danger for, they are not seeing it say, we have a task and a mission to complete. They are seeing it say, wala kofa bachro ho, se me ndi bi na se mo makodi dia, en ye mu mbom so me kan bi agumu amana say. We need to be very, very, very careful. And it starts with the party. Andra, me mame boni araba ka sembi. Sorry, me mame Babs, boni fache me. So wabo me dins. O stre na de abo me din na mabo din no. But me mame Babs ka sembi Andra. Na semo o kan ye ne se yeni a ye wo page so ene mo amutie mi ni na ye ni na ye be dia dance ye se ye communication no sebe ejija kakra adentia because yede ya aboabe asamoa ebe ye communication person no. NPP became a passive communication apparatus. What do I mean passive? To the point to say